Hello everyone, welcome to Computer Science and IT Gate Coaching. Don't forget to subscribe my channel and press the bell icon to get the instant notification of my free lecture. See the question. It is saying that construct a minimal derivative over sigma a comma b such that set of offspring starts with a. Means sigma here is your a comma b and it is containing set of offsprings starts with a. So like a b a. Only restriction is that it should start with a b b, any number of a, but it should not start with b. Okay. So these are the strings belongs to the language. So initial state by getting a accepted. Now after that, if you are getting any number of a b, fine, because it's already started with a comma b. But if it is starting with b, you have to reject it. It will go into dead state. So after reaching to dead state, if you are getting either a or b, you will remain there because there is no chance it will ever start with a. Okay, so be there.